Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Kashfia, in case you don't know me, and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so this video is going to be a review video and also first impression, and we are going to review the new Maybelline Liquid Matte Lipstick. If I'm not wrong, they came up with 10 shades, but I didn't buy the full shade range. I just bought 7 shades, and I'm going to review and show you guys how they were in my lips and how they look. So yeah, without further delay, let's get it started. So that's all for this video. We finally finished all the shade that I got, which is 7 from 10. So about the lipstick, alright, I don't like it like so much, but they're okay. The only thing that I'm not so happy with is they are not so pigmented. It's like, it's not like you do just one swipe and you are good to go. No, 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 you have to repeat it 1 time, 2 time, and some of the shade you need to repeat more than 2 times, which I don't like. Alright, the 2 shade I don't like at all, which is 05 and 10. Oh my god, I had to repeat more than 3 times. I don't like that. So this 2 shade is no. And the 2 shade that I like, which is 03 and 08, it's not like they are pigmented like one swipe. Nope, I need to repeat it, but better than other shade. So without that, they are not heavy nude lips. They are lightweight and they also dry down pretty fast, which is good as well. And yeah, just a little bit. It's not something crazy, which is okay, but you must need to use lip liner mostly for the dark shade, because the shade I'm wearing right now, which is I think number 1, oh my god, it was super hard for me to, you know, do the whole thing and keep the shape without a liner. I think I already messed up some places, so you better use a lip liner. But will I repeat buying these lipsticks? I don't think so. Mostly the shade I don't like at all. Of course, I'm not going to repeat buying those, but the shade, the 2 shades I like, maybe not, because there is other best option you have in the market that you can use and you will get a better result than this. So for me, okay. Alright you guys, so that's all for this video. Finally we reached to the end. My lips is hurting me pretty bad. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.